It is, yeah. It's a bit of a putting ourselves on the map, and yeah, it's been a really good show.
Jamie, this is the last day of the MACH Show 2026, and we're here to celebrate something quite interesting. We've got a new partnership.
We have, yes.
And we've got Wogaard combined with...
Total Filtration Solutions.
Right, I need you to talk me through what's going on here.
Okay, so for some years, we've part of the Brown Holmes Group. We've distributed the Wogaard Coolant Saver and Oil Saver solutions, but we've actually made this partnership formal as of January this year. So we have an exclusive agreement for the UK and US for Wogaard Oil and Coolant Saver solutions.
So this is new. This is the first time you've exhibited in the UK.
Yeah, so Wogaard have exhibited before, but this is the first time Total Filtration Solutions have exhibited.
So it's a bit of a celebration.
It is, yeah. It's a bit of a putting ourselves on the map, and yeah, it's been a really good show.
Fantastic. Right, you're going to talk me through the technology. We're going to start off with this that we have behind us here.
Sure. The
coolant filtration system. And right, give me a little bit of the technology, and then I want you to give me 3 points why this is so good.
Okay, so there's 2 versions of this, one for water-soluble coolant and the other for neat oil. An awful lot through the machining process gets dropped into the coolant swarf bin.
Yeah.
This will actually retrieve that. It's a fairly simplistic solution, highly effective, sits on your spindle pump, works as a venturi, draws any oil or coolant from the swarf bin straight back to the machine. So it's highly sustainable, really cost effective.
And simple.
Really simple.
Nothing really to go wrong on this
Absolutely
one.
not at all.
Absolutely not. And this combined with the ESPs, which we're going into filtration, which is my absolute world. So come and talk me through the filtration as well.
Sure, certainly.
Okay. So we're going over to the ESP, and we've got double cell, double pass. Does this give us HEPA technology?
It does, yes. So it's effective to 99.97% on submicron particulates. It's H13 standard. We can put an additional HEPA filter on the back end of it for some heavier applications, certainly with neat oil as well, but that's also on odour more than the actual particulates. The beauty of this product is there is 0 media filtration in there, so there's no waste to landfill. It's one of the big strong points about Total Filtration Solutions. Our ethos is sustainability, reducing the environmental impact of machining. So the filters within this, the electrostatic cells, are washable. We provide a service, or the client can do that themselves, which we provide guidance and training on. The pre-filters, which is a foam mesh, that is also washable and reusable. So it reduces the cost significantly. The other beauty versus other traditional filtration systems is that it uses an impeller, which is a really low watt
Can we get
motor.
this open?
We can.
And you won't do that. I'm not going to pick it
Not
up.
a problem.
Oh, you win. Okay, so this is the double cell.
Double cell.
Double pass.
Double pass. We have a foam mesh pre-filter. We also have a metal mesh filter as well.
Washable.
Washable. It's completely washable.
Straight
this can
into
be
parts
put
washer.
straight into parts washer. Yeah.
Fantastic.
So this can also be put post as well, depending on the application.
Yes.
So we can double it up.
Okay.
With regards to this here, without having media, there's no waste to landfill. It reduces the service cost significantly. As I say, the motor is low wattage, so it's a third of anything like a centrifugal system.
I was going to ask you about the energy.
Yeah, it's a third of the energy consumption of standard centrifugal systems. So there are real true benefit savings. Obviously, energy costs are high anyway, but it's also about the environment.
Yeah, and the ESPs are great on neat oil.
Superb on neat oil, and it works well on miscible oil as well.
So you can do everything.
Yeah, so
Fantastic.
water-based coolant and neat oil, it works on both.
Nice and compact and easy to clean.
Very much so, yeah.
Yeah, sounds simple. And you've got it covered as well with the service as well, and the support, you're saying?
Yeah, totally. So we've got field-based service engineers.
All over the UK?
Yeah, UK-wide.
Yeah. Leave that there.
And we
You don't
also
need to do
partner
that.
with certain agents, partners as well.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay. And that leads us into, so this is my world. Show me a little bit more about this system here, the RBM.
So we partner with another company called RBM. They're an Italian company specialising in fine filtration. So This will sit on a machine tool. It can either be a brand new machine tool, or we can actually retrofit. So if you are in the aerospace industry, defence, motorsport, medical, where you need high precision filtration,
Yes.
this is really the product you should be
You
looking
need
at.
this.
Yes. So as a standard system, we filter to sub 10 micron. If you add the roto filter, which is a swarf conveyor with filtration in there with its own pump as well and sump, we can get sub 5 micron filtration.
We're a bit compact on your stand.
We are
which
indeed.
we'll mention a little bit, because normally you've got conveyors and all sorts going on
We
as well,
have,
haven't
yeah,
you?
and unfortunately the stand was available. It's, you know, everything's a premium here, as you know, in terms of space and booking. So first time we've been here, we'll certainly be looking at a larger stand for next time so we can fully showcase all of our solutions.
Amazing. Tell me your thoughts. What are you taking away from the show this time?
I think the level of engagement we've had has been of a really good high quality. There's been some fantastic pre-sales discussions. And that's exactly what it is.
Yeah.
But it's not just been the quantity, I think the quality of the inquiries we've had have just been superb. And in fairness, for me and my colleagues, it probably would have taken us 6 months to get that level, and we managed to do it in a week.